Aloha everyone! Today I'm going to do my 3 layers haircut. If you like this haircut, this is actually my 60 seconds layers. It just frames the face here. So if you like this haircut, check out my video from last week. So now I'm going to do the 3 layers haircut. Use the large curved CreaClip and you're going to need your brush. So first step, you brush your hair. Then you flip it over. Taking the CreaClip and clip it like this and slide it down. Okay, so that way you can see the level in the middle. Okay, so I like to do this 2 times so it combs the hair. So clip it. Okay. Okay. So brush the hair. Clip it in place and slide it down. So if I just only want layers right now, I would just do this first step, trim the ends. Okay, grab the scissors. Okay, so I'm just going to trim the tips. Cutting in a 45-degree angle so it creates a soft textured look. There you go. So this creates the first layer. Okay. So if you just want to trim the layers, this is where you stop. Okay. However, let me show you the back. Okay. This is what it creates, a V-layered shape in the back. Okay, so that's this is my basic 60 seconds layers face framing. Now the second step you're going to do is comb the hair like this. And you're going to section from ear to ear, okay? Ear to ear. Like this, see that? So now you're only going to cut this top part, okay? So you just grab this. You can still flip your head over. This is the second layer. So you make the hair fall in there, clip it in place, slide, and you're going to trim one more time, okay? So I'm going to trim another inch. So this is just going to create a lot more layers on the top, but your length is also going to be long. So that's my second layer, okay? So you notice now the layers are going a little bit higher each time, right? So this is what it looks like, okay? I'll show you that, brush that out. So you see these are a little bit higher. So now this is the last step, the third step, so that's why I call it the 3 layers haircut. And so from now, so this first time it was ear. Now we're gonna go from the temple, and you're gonna go like this. And the temple, kind of like a U, just on top like this, okay? And we're gonna do the final step here, okay? So you can see the section here, and the section this side, and then we're gonna clip the CreaClip one more time. Okay, let it fall on the CreaClip. So it has teeth, so it helps you combs and holds the hair in place. Now I'm just gonna make it there, clip it in place, and then cut. Okay, one more time. Clip it in here, and then make sure the level's in the middle. Yep. And then I'm gonna trim this last part. And so you can actually hold the CreaClip tight like this and turn it sideways to cut, or hold it up or down, just so you can see the level, okay? But once it's in place, it's okay. The level doesn't have to stay there. It's just the very first step, so that you can just get the level, hold it in place, it's already balanced, and then now I'm trimming some more. So I take about 1 inch every time, so that way the layers get a little bit shorter each time. See that? So this is gonna create more of a, like a long side bang, see that? But yet, all the rest of my hair is still long. So this is called the 3-layer haircut with the CreaClip, okay? I'm going to show you what it looks like curled, because then you can really see the layers more. So I'll post pictures of what it looks like curled. So you see now you got the long side bangs, and because it was cut in the middle, you can actually part it on this side. And then, you know, it looked really nice like curled to the side there. So you can part this way or this way. I like it right now because it's trending to kind of like go in the middle, a little bit off the middle, like this, and then curl it like this way. So here you guys go. Here it is, the 3-layer haircut. 3 layers. Still long with a V. I like the V because like when I come out from the beach and it just falls really nice and it still looks long. So, but this 3-layer haircut gives me a lot more body, a lot more layers. Let me just show you the side here. Okay, so let's curl my hair. Okay, this, and then it just like curls out. It just, so you can flip it like this everywhere, or also I like it inwards. So you can do this on the inside like that. That way you can see the layers a little more. Yeah. And then I like that one kind of flipped out. Okay. Do it inwards, you can also just do it like this. Yeah. Just a little bend. And you can also use a round brush. That looks nice too. Okay, so I'm just curling the ends just a little bit inward so you can see the different layers for you. I'll post some pictures of it, what it looks like curly and straight. So if you want to make this curl inwards, so you can do it like that. So you get a little bit more layers with the 3-layer. And I'm also going to be posting I'm going to do some curtain bangs after this too, so you can see that. There you go. Again, curling it inwards with the flat iron. You can see how my bangs are a lot shorter now. Okay, there you go. Just you buy the package, it looks like this. So make sure you get the original because you know, that's the best quality. There's imitation out there that's really cheap. It's not worth it because it'll break down. So this is the original. It has to say original there, and you can get it from our website. We're near almost sold out because everybody needs it right now during quarantine. So with COVID-19 happening, everybody's cutting their hair at home. It's really trending and all the haircut challenges. So I thought, wait, why not create some haircuts so you guys can do at home. Okay, so this is the 3-layer haircut. Lots of layers and a crease. Lots of layers and a V in the back. Okay, now for those of you that don't want the V, there's a really simple technique that you can do. You split it in half like this, and then you can just cut the V off. So this is how you do the one length in front. So you clip it in like this, make sure the level's in the middle. And you're going to slide it down like this. And you're just gonna trim this part. Okay, just like about 2 inches, because that gets rid of the V and it makes more of an oval in the back. So for those of you that don't want the V you can do that final step at the end. I have videos that I've done that already. And so yeah, this is my 3-layered haircut. Hope you enjoyed this, and stay tuned because I'm going to do curtain bangs after.